Hello friends, welcome you all to your channel Big Bold Trading. Today in this video I will show you in the Angel One broking mobile app how you can buy a share and you can sell a share with a stop loss and target placed. This is also known as the Robo orders. Okay, this feature if you want to use it in one order only, you can put the stop loss and the target. And friends, if you like this video, please share it with the other friends and groups so that more retail traders can benefit. To use this, for example, now we are in the market watch list. If any stock you want to add, you have to click here and put the stock and add. I will show you now how to add the stock. For example, once you click here, you want IDFC first. IDFC first. Once you start writing, you can see here, you can select it. So once the share is selected, you can see this is for the NSE and this is for the BSE. We will go for the NSE stock. So we select the NSE stock. And now the symbol is added here. So what we will do, as you can see here, the symbol is added. We will click the stock. Once we click the stock, you can see here three options are there in the downside. One is the option chain, one is the chart, and one is the stock details. We will click the chart first to open the chart. So once the chart is loaded, now you can see now the chart is loaded. So here in the top you can see there is the buy and there is the sell. Whichever you want to do, you can click it on that option. For example, suppose we want to buy the share. So we will click on the buy. Now we are showing it on the IDFC First Bank. So once we go there, we will click the buy button. And you can see here three options are there. Number one is the normal order, number two is the stop loss order, and number three is the robo order. For this type, if you want to put the stop loss and target together, you have to select this robo order. This is what will help you to place the orders all together. So we select the robo orders. Once we select the robo order, you can see here you have to put the quantity, you have to put the price at which price you want to buy or you want to sell, and here you have to put the target number 3, and in the bottom you can see here the stop loss is there. So 4 things you have to do. In robo order, one more advantage is that all the orders what you are placing, it's in the limit order. So you have to put the price at what price you want to buy. On that price only it will be executed. And one more thing, for the target price and the stop loss, it should be always in the points. It is not the value. For example, you buy the share at 47.50 and you want to sell at 50. So the difference is 2 rupees 50. So you will put it as a 250, not the value. If it is 47, you want to sell at 50. No, this is not 50. You have to put here the 3, the difference, the point you have to put it here. So now we will do it and show it to you. So friends, we have put 10 quantity, and now what we will do, we will just select this buy bottom and the order will be executed first to buy the order. You will go here and you will see the order is already executed automatically. So friends, now you can see the order is still in the system. So I will show you, this is my stop loss 45.95 and this is my target 48.40. So this is how it will be, the orders will be executed. Now we will go to the position and see, now we are making a 2 rupees 50 paisa loss. Suppose we feel okay, we want to exit the order and we don't want to wait. Then what you have to do, you just touch this IDFC Bank and you can get the option of exit. You see this option of exit. What you will do, you will touch the exit. Are you sure you want to exit the order? Yes. The order is cancelled. Now you can see the order is executed and the order is finished. Now if you go to the position section again, you can see that we make a loss of 2 rupees 50 paisa in 10 quantity. This is the average buy price and this is the average sell price. This is how you have to buy and sell in the robo orders. If you like this video, please share it with the other retail traders so more person can benefit from it. As of now, for today, thank you.